This is the thread repair setup on Hurco lathes. Before beginning, first turn on the machine and press power to enable the axes. Calibrate the machine by pressing the Calibrate Machine soft key and cycle start. Once the machine is fully calibrated, press the input button on the control to get to the home screen. Press the Tool Setup soft key to begin the setup portion of the threading tool to be used in the repair block. These values will be specific to the tool actually being used. We have the tool used for this demonstration already input. Once the tool setup is complete, go to Geometry Offsets to set up the tool lengths and the orientation of the tool. Then, go to Input, Part Programming, Turning, and then Thread Repair. The thread repair cycle page requires the information to be completed in all fields, and selecting your predefined tool will autofill most of them. For this example, I will use 5 thousandths for my start depth and 1 thou for the final depth. I've chosen to do 3 finishing passes and 2 spring passes with a depth of cut of 1 thou. Once all fields are complete, move on to the Geometry tab to define the thread. We are using OD taper for this example to illustrate the power of the Hurco control. Set your Z start and end and define your X clearance. Once set, fill in each field with the known information to define the major and minor diameter of the thread and either the pitch or the lead of the thread. Because this is an OD taper thread, we will define the taper angle and allow the control to calculate the X taper. We will leave the vertical lead in and out as yes, and the number of starts to 1. Once all fields are complete, move on to the Repair tab. This screen is self-informative and requires the operator to manually jog the tool into a good thread and get as close to the size and valley of the thread as possible. Once satisfied with the position, press Store Position on the control and all fields will be updated for this tab. Now you will go to Auto, Run Program, and press Start Cycle to begin cutting. Here you see the repair cycle in action. The control calculates the number of passes based on the data you entered and traces the thread, cleaning up any burrs and defects.